Welcome to lesson Health is Wealth. In today's time, sedentary lifestyle has made us more prone to diseases. Advancement in medical science has no doubt given us best treatment for the diseases, but it comes with the cost. These medical expenses can swallow your hard-earned money which you have accumulated for your future goals. Let's talk about concept. To cover the risk of heavy expenses of hospitalization, it is advisable to transfer the risk to health insurance company. As we have discussed in last lesson, there are four techniques to handle risk. They are avoid, mitigate risk, accept or transfer risk. The best way to handle health risk is to transfer it to health insurance company. Health insurance provide you assurance to take care of all medical expenses in case of medical emergency or hospitalization. Let's see why health insurance is critical in our life. First, it reimburses the expenses of hospitalization and several daycare treatments. It covers life-threatening diseases like cancer. These covers are good enough to protect you from unforeseen medical emergencies. Let's see how much cover should be required for health insurance. While selecting cover, you should consider various factors like your lifestyle, your family health history, and the city of residence like metro or non-metro, because in metro cities, the medical expenses are quite high as compared to non-metro cities. However, as a general guideline, a cover of minimum 10 lakhs should be taken for health insurance. Now let's see the type of health cover. There are two types of health cover. First is floater, another is non-floater health insurance. Under floater cover, the sum assured can be utilized by any or all family members and is not restricted to one individual. Whereas in a non-floater plan, there is a separate insurance cover for each individual with defined sum assured. You can select the type and sum assured based on your actual requirement. Please also note that for parents, buy a separate insurance policy. Don't combine them in your floater policy. You can also take specific health policies covering critical illness. I will also advise that you should have a separate health insurance policy irrespective of your employer health insurance. It will help in the cases where you have less sum assured from the company, or when you are switching from one company to the other, or you have a temporary job loss. To summarize, health insurance protects you from huge medical expenses and save you from draining your savings related to your future wealth goals. Thank you and meet you in next lesson.